Hello, it's me. Welcome to OnlyDashcams, the only place where green means stop and reds mean go. Now I gives you green light to subscribes. Not. That mean you should subscribes, because here green means stops, and then I make not joke, which means opposite. Very simple. Dziękuję. Already depressed about how shitty life is, this emo driver's day gets worse as he witnesses assholes being asshole. Now he will have to listen to at least 2 hours of the My Chemical Romances to recover. Poor emo.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Did he flip?
Just because he missed his exit? Like, what was that?
This clip reminds me of beautiful classic love song by the Ludacris.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move.
Very romantic.
This person needs to run the red light. Oh fuck!
Holy shit. Oh my god, what is happening?
Oh my god! How did no one get hit there?
Honestly, I'm impressed.
Fuck just happened?
Because they came from over there.
Yes,
Like in
they
front
did
of...
a U-turn. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. You gotta go.
Last night I come home to find my neighbor take shit on my doorstep, so I go take revenge. Very unfortunate he film, and now I have lawsuit. Very expense. Let me know if you ever shit in neighbor's garden in the comments below.
What the fuck?
Very racist road. Only white cars allowed. I drive white cars, but racists seen my mustache and get suspicious that I foreigner, so he run me off road.
platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and others. It's super easy, super streamlined, and you can start
And
making
you
money
are super
immediately.
boring.
Download the free Anchor app. Or go
And
to
this woman's super stupid. Whoa, whoa, wait, what?
Our next Reddit post comes from r/relationship advice. My
Fuck
parents
you.
have 5 kids.
Of people would rather not part of the collective.
That's kind of what I'm getting.
I'm at 70.
70? Oh, you have more eager people.
Third.
You guys eager.
That says something about those Facebook people wanting to be part of the collective.
They practically are already.
Wow. Makes sense.
All right, I'm gonna bring this together. We all have some really.
No.
I'm assigning some final.
Sorry, you're in the sidewalk.
I didn't realize that one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
For first time, I am taking side of women's. In my country, this path like main highway. Keep driving, Dorothy's.